Students of some primary schools in Hangzhou, East China's Zhejiang province, have started their new semester with rich activities on the upcoming Asian Games. At Hangzhou Yuhang Haichen Primary School, stages were set up for students to sing, dance, and take part in fun sports games.
今天我们表演的是同爱同在，用歌声和舞姿表达对亚运的期待，祝福亚运圆满成功。我今天用无人机和亚运元素表演，我想去看那个足球。
到了这个9月份以后呢，我们学校也会开设社团拓展活动。在这个社团课中呢，我们也精心的设计了与亚运相关的一些运动项目，能够让孩子能够真正的参与到这些运动中来，让亚运融入到我们的生活中。